Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be trying out some Makeup Geek eyeshadows. So recently I picked up a couple of Makeup Geek eyeshadows on a haul. So I picked up the shades Creme Brûlée, Frappe, and what's this one? Cabin Fever. And I also picked up Starry Eyed, Shimmer, and Aphrodite. So I bought this Z palette from Beauty Bay, and I bought all these eyeshadows from Beauty Bay, and I thought that this was bigger than this. I thought it fit 6 of these eyeshadows, not 3. But yeah, I need to get a different Z palette now to fit all these 6 in. So I've just got my 3 matte shades in here for now. This is also a matte shade, it's like a purple one, but I don't think I'm going to be using that in today's look. I'll probably use these colours and maybe one of the others. So we'll see. So I'm going to test them out today as I've never used Makeup Geek before. I don't know what their formula is like. I have no idea. I think these were like £4 to £6 each. I think the sparkly ones were more expensive. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm going to start by using my Barry Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. This is the hydrating glowy one, dewy one, and this is in the shade 201 Classic Ivory, and I'm going to be applying this with my Morphe Flawless Beauty Sponge. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C1. And I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion sponge. Now to set my face, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder, and this is in the shade Translucent or Transparent. And to set around my eye area, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Small Tapered brush. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using my USpicy 31 brush. Now I'm going to finish up the rest of my face, so I'm going to use my e.l.f. Contour Palette. I'm going to take my USpicy 27 brush to contour with the contour shade. Then to bronze up the skin, I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush with the bronzer shade. Then for blush, I'm going to be using my Colourpop Between the Sheets blush, and I'm going to take my Real Techniques Multitask brush. Then for highlight, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Colour Icon highlighter in Reserve Your Cabana, and I'm going to take my Sigma F35 brush. Okay, so now I can move on to my eyes. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go in with the shade Creme Brûlée, which is the lightest one I have. It's like a matte brown crease shade, and I'm going to be using my Morphe R37 brush. Okay, I think I'm then going to go in with the middle shade on my Morphe M412 brush, and I'm going to put that on the outer corners. This shade is Frappe, by the way. And I'm then going to go back in with the first shade, Creme Brûlée, just to blend it all together. I'm then going to use both those crease shades on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. I'm wondering whether to go into Starry Eyed, which is this one, or Shimmer, which is this one. I think I'm going to go with Shimmer. Okay, so I'm going to just use my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel on my eyebrows. Then I'm going to apply my NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner pencil in Brown Perfection. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm going to apply my Kiko mascara. Okay, so to finish off, I am going to apply just a clear sparkly lip gloss. This is by Colourpop. It's the Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Atta Girl. Okay, so now that I've finished up my makeup, I will give you my thoughts. So I'll go through each one that I use. So this first one, Creme Brûlée, is my new favourite crease shade. I absolutely love it. The colour on it is not too dark, it's not too orange. It's actually, because I have such pale skin, it's actually quite hard to find a good crease shade that isn't too dark and that isn't too orangey. I don't know why, but lots of crease shades are just so, they have so much orange in them and I don't like it. This one is perfect. It's perfect for my skin tone. It's nice and pale and it's really buttery and easy to apply. All of these eyeshadows are so easy to apply, it's unbelievable. I also really love this outer corner shade because it's also not too dark. This was Frappe. It's nice. It blended nicely in the outer corners. It gives me nice dimension to my face. It's not too orangey, like I said. It's a nice colour. And yeah, these matte eyeshadows were super easy to blend and super easy to work with and so creamy as well. So there wasn't even a lot of kick up either, so that's really good. Then moving on to the shimmery ones. So I swatched Starry Eyed. I didn't use it, but I swatched it and it looks amazing. It's like a pinky, like really sparkly shade. So it looks really good. But then obviously I used Shimmer Shimmer on my eyes and I love it. It's like a buttery pale shade, but with that slight shimmer to it. It's not glittery, it's not sparkly, but it's shimmery and it looks really nice on the eyes. I actually really like it and so creamy. Kind of reminded me a little bit of the Colourpop eyeshadows, but this is obviously more powdery. So yeah, so far so good, and I definitely want to purchase more of these eyeshadows and try out different shades to see what are the ones that I would like. So I got these from the Beauty Bay website, so if you are interested in getting them, then head over to the Beauty Bay website. So yeah, I'm really impressed with them. I really do like them, and I really like how this look turned out as well today. So yeah. So that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And leave a comment down below of what your favourite shade of the Makeup Geek eyeshadows is, if you have one. And then I can hopefully try it out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!